Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I'm doing a very pink look. This is, as I mentioned later in the video, one of the pinkest looks that I have done in a while, just for my own fun entertainment and for YouTube. So this is really fun. I wanted to do this video to review the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place palette. This is what it looks like. It can be a little bit intimidating first looking at it because of all the colors that are involved. But my main reason for filming this video is to show you guys that you don't need to do a dramatic look with lashes whenever playing around with color. There's always room and space for playing with color and just applying mascara, as long as you apply a good combination or a good mascara yet alone that gives you really good voluminous lashes. So I really hope that you guys like this makeup look. It's really nice. I really like it. It could go from daytime to nighttime. All you really got to do is add some lashes and maybe an inner corner highlight. If you guys want to see my review on this Juvia's Place palette, this is my first one, by the way, please continue watching. Oh, and by the way, I did not incorporate swatches. I am going to start doing more reviews on certain palettes and things like that. So if you guys would like swatches, please comment down below and let me know that, so I know to do that in the future. Just let me know and I will be glad to do so. And so yes, thank you guys so much for watching this channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in a bit. So with my Morphe G17, I am going to start applying Burkina into my crease. That is the shade Burkina. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply Fulani, this last shade in the 4th row. I'm going to apply that with the same brush, just like right below the crease, barely touching it. So now I'm going to start mixing a bunch of shades. So this shade Zulu looks really appealing to me. It's the 2nd shade in the 4th row. And I'm going to grab my Morphe E13 brush and just pack it on a little bit. And then start applying that to the outer corner. And this is just to give it some dimension. Okay, so after applying those shades, this is what my eye looks like. Now I can apply the pop of color that I will apply. I'm debating, honestly, either this pink because it matches my lips, or one of these blues because I don't wear blues a lot, but I love LOVV, triple V, whatever. I love blues. So I think I'm going to end up probably applying this pink, and then I'm just going to put my finger into it, and this is the pink that came off. This is so pretty, so pigmented, and I'm just going to start applying that to my eyeball. So now that I have that Bori shade applied, I'm going to go in with the shade Zobo. And I'm going to apply that, like, literally just to connect everything and then blend it all out. This shade is like a purplish shade, but I am assuming that it's going to go well with the pink and the neutral colors that I have. After applying what was left over from the brush to my under eyes, I'm just going to start applying mascara because, like I said earlier, and as the title of this video indicates, we are not going to be using false lashes. So my mascaras that I use are my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, along with the Victoria's Secret Major Lashes mascara. If you guys have not tried either or them together, I really do recommend putting them together and seeing how they look on your lashes. But yes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I came back and I have already applied my mascara. I am letting them dry. This is basically the completed look. You can apply like an inner corner highlight if you want to. I personally am not for this look. I don't really have anything against like inner corner highlight. I just kind of don't want to. You can change a little bit of the colors, maybe put a pop of blue instead of the pink. But yes, I wanted to do this video to mainly get a feel for the palette, to do a review for it, but also to show you guys that you don't always need to be wearing lashes when it comes to these kind of palettes. Yes, they could be a little bit intimidating, but there's always a way to manipulate it. There's multiple other videos that you guys can watch with different looks on this, and I'm sure you guys will love it as well. I really do love it. This is probably one of the pinkest looks that I've done in a while, like whether it's for my channel or just in general. I don't really apply color to my eyelids, although I do want to start doing that. Yes, but my final thoughts on the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette is I love it. I played with 6 shades today, and with the 6 shades that I played around with, I really did like it. If you guys want to see another video with this exact palette but using false lashes and a more dramatic look, please let me know, and I would be very, very happy to do that. I'm very happy with the way that my look came out yet again with this palette. I'm very happy for the price that I paid. So overall, I would say that this Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place palette is worth the, either you're paying $18 or $25, it is worth both of the prices. So yes, I just wanted to let you guys know. I really do hope that you guys pick this up and try it out for yourselves. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I will very much appreciate every little thing that I can get, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!